Hi there. Let's play a game again. If you've seen the previous game, you know the rules. If not, let me explain. I'm going to draw one card randomly, place it here like this, so you cannot see it. And I'm going to give you some clues so that you can try to guess what the card is. And this time we're going to spice it up and make it a little more interesting, because if you guess right, you are going to be invited to a secret live stream in January where we're going to do some tarot reading, we're going to play some games, and I might have a secret guest at that live stream, so it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting. This is my first time doing this. The way to leave your guess is to send me an email, amaliaamica@gmail.com. So you can just email me. You don't have to, make it too wordy. You can just send me the name of the card, what you think the card is, and if you can find my email address in the description box. You can also find the link to my website there, where you can book a reading if you would like to support the channel. All right, so let's go for it. By the way, if you enjoy this, then please leave a like and a comment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. It seems like the camera is sometimes focusing, sometimes blurry. It's kind of weird. I don't know why that is. Okay, so here we go. All right, so if this card was some type of music, it would be violin music. I don't think that's a genre actually, but that's the closest thing that I could come up with. If it was a famous person, I think it would be Princess Diana. If it was an animal, I think it would be a swan. If they saw something illegal happening, what would they do? They would feel for everyone involved, victims and perpetrators alike, and they would try to make everyone go to therapy. The strength of this card is compassion, and the weakness is agreeability. Okay, so I think it's pretty easy, but maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. These references, these analogies that I'm coming up with, they might not be very accurate or good clues, but maybe you can use your clairvoyant abilities to see what is on the other side of the card. That also counts. So if you have the answer, shoot me an email, and if you're right, then you're going to be invited to the secret party, the secret stream. And if not, then you at least have tried. I'm going to release the reveal video tomorrow, so stay tuned. Bye bye.